TSB 005 from Permagreen. I'm going to show you. We're installing the Everlasting Spring Keeper today. I'm going to start by taking this cover off your Triumph. What size are those?
These are 7/16.
7/16. Cody's going to pull those out while I show you what's in the kit. This bracket, the spring, new bolt and nut, an additional nut. What this is designed to do now is keep your spring on. Everlasting Spring Keeper. People have said that they've lost springs. Well, guess what? You won't lose them anymore. Look at this.
Get this 1/2 inch out.
People would say from time to time over the years, hey, I lost my spring, it came off.
2 7/16, one on the bottom. One there.
Gonna do this to these dampeners so you can get that new bracket on. That's so people would lose springs. And then if you can't find the spring on the lawn, you're like, okay, if I don't have an extra spring, you're down. So engineers at Permagreen just decided to make that not possible anymore. Cody's putting this bracket on, which is in the kit. Tighten that up. It's going to be an anchor point for one end of the spring. Now we're going to spin that drive belt off by hand so we can take care of the top side. Now, as you can see in there, there's an S-hook that spring is attached to. It's probably how you're trying to set up now. That S-hook is coming off. So,
I need a quarter
inch, and was it 11/32?
11/32.
Taking that off, that arm. Tight. Taking that nut off there, and that assembly will come out just like that. Get a new bolt in the kit.
That's how it goes
Cody
on.
is going to assemble it like that. See that? You got the bolt, got that clear insulator, spring goes on like that. You're going to put that up in there. Hold this for you. Pretty good. Slide that assembly in like that. Slide your left hand in there. Cody's going to get that nut started. Yeah, a little bit of effort, but imagine the payoff. Never losing a spring again? Sign me up. Take those 2 wrenches again. Quarter on the outside where he's got the bolt, and 11/32. He's taking that box on the right hand side there and tightening that nut up. So now that spring is not coming off there because that washer's holding it on. See? Not coming off. So once that's tightened, putting the belt back on now. I can pull that idler arm down. The other side being that eye bolt. Gonna run that through the hole in the bracket. Get it started there. 11-30 seconds. Look at that. So you're not going to lose the spring on this end or on that top end because of the washer. Once that's in place, tighten up your bracket.
Good to go.
TSB 005 from Permagreen.